Hi guys, it's Arielle Fox, welcome back to my channel. As you may have seen, I did not post a video last week. I've been a bit slack with posting videos, but that is because I have got guinea pigs. I'm hoping to be able to do a meet my guinea pigs video, and I was planning on doing something kind of like that this week, but they're still quite scared and getting used to me. To move them from outside to inside because it's been too hot outside because we've had this crazy heat wave. And yeah, it's almost too hot to film a video. I almost put off today's video, but I'm so excited about all the things I've ordered that I was just like, let's just do it, let's just power through. So if you see me dripping with sweat or anything, that is because it is very hot in here with all my lights. I've got the window open and fans going, but yeah, it doesn't really work. If you've been following my channel already, you'll know that about a month ago I ordered lots and lots of little bits off Wish. Talking about doing a Wish haul. All my things have arrived now, so today is going to be my haul video and I'm just going to show you guys what I've got. Before I get into my video, I'd just like to say, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe below. That will really help me out. If you enjoyed this video too, give it a big thumbs up. One more thing before we get into this video, my time chain watch came today. Really hard to show you because it's on my arm, but this watch, if I go like this with my arm, it changes from like a pinky colour to a green colour. It is so cute. I really love it. I'm so happy about it. This was not a Wish purchase. This is something that I've got from a brand off Instagram who I really love, and I couldn't resist their watches. Go check them out on Instagram and on their website and look at their amazing watches. So here is my big bag of Wish goodies. I bought a range of different things. I got some of the stuff that was apparently free, but it's not really free. You have to pay postage. I got a few of those bits and I'll let you know which ones were free and which ones weren't. The first thing I got was this bed sheet, if you can see it here. This is one I opened early because it came really early and I didn't think it was actually going to be one of my Wish things, so I opened it and then I had to put it on because I loved it. It's really hard to show you on camera apart from what you can see now. I'll attach a picture of it coming up so you can see what it looks like. It looks just like the picture. I'm so happy with it. The quality is really nice as well. It's really nice, thick and heavy duty. It went on really well and it was really affordable. I can't remember the exact price, so I'll attach that too so you can see. So the first thing we have is this little package. I can't remember what this is. Just open this up. So this was one of the free items. It is a little cactus cushion cover. Very cheap sort of material, but it's actually really cute. Just paid the postage, and the postage for this was 99p, so it wasn't very much. It's actually really nice. I really like this. I'm looking forward to putting it on. Next we have this little package. This actually feels like one of the makeup things I ordered. And yeah, this is an ultra matte lip gloss in like a purpley grey shade, but I don't know if it's going to be. This is this one, lip gloss matte in like a nudie colour. I don't know what this is going to be like and if it's actually going to be any good, so I will try it and show you what it looks like. This is what this looks like on. It's actually a really nice colour. I really like it. It's quite subtle. It's quite hard to see on the camera. Most matte lip glosses do. It's sort of got that sort of dry texture to it, so it feels a little bit dry on my lips. Moving on swiftly, I have this next one. It actually feels like sunglasses. This is sunglasses. These are looking really cool already. I hope they're as nice as the pictures. This is what these look like on. I don't know if they actually suit me very much, so I don't know if I'll actually be wearing them, but they're a really cool colour and they're like a really cool style. I'm not too disappointed in them. They do look like exactly what they were pictured as. They just don't really suit me that well. So this was described as a crop top, but it's actually more of a bra with a little shawl thing on holiday. It might look quite classy and nice. I won't be trying this one on right now because it is a little bit thin and a little bit sheer as well. It does look a lot like the picture. It's come exactly as described, but it is a lot smaller than I thought it would be, so I don't know about this one. Maybe this one is something to wear on holiday and that's about it. This is, yeah, this is a dress, but it feels so cheap. It feels like a really cheap bit of cloth or curtain or something. It doesn't feel very nice. I will try this on for you and show you what it looks like as much as possible. I'm not going to be able to show you too much because it's so small in my room. I'll try and get some photos in it and attach them instead. So here is the top half of the dress. The top half of the dress actually looks really, really nice, and it does look like the photo, but the bottom half doesn't. I think maybe, I don't know, maybe it's my body's a little bit too long, but it just flashes completely at the front. So I'm not even going to try and show you this. I might try and get like a snap that makes it look kind of okay, but it does not look like the picture. This is looking really cheap and nasty again, unfortunately. I really don't know how to work out how it works. They look like they go through the back and then through these holes. I'm going to try and get this on. This actually smells really chemically. I could smell it as I was getting out of the bag, which is a bit grim. Hopefully it doesn't look quite as bad as it looks in person. On camera it's actually looking not as bad as it looks in person. It's actually like that really shiny sort of bathing suit material. I'm actually really, really happy with this. I think it looks really, really nice. It even doesn't look too tacky in person, and it looks really nice on camera, which is good. This one does look like the photos, and it was really, really cheap, so I can't complain. I'd rather it be a better material because it does feel a bit nasty, but then it's really comfortable and really stretchy, and I like these little bits at the bottom that go around your waist. I think they're really cute. Not really sure what they do really. I think they're supposed to make your eyes look younger and get rid of dark circles and all that sort of jazz. I keep seeing people wearing these on Instagram and they seem to be very popular, and then I found them on Wish, which is probably a bit risky, but I'm gonna try them and see how they work. I don't know if you've seen anyone using these before, but this is what these look like. They're very slimy and slippery. I'm not really sure what this is supposed to go. Under the eye, like that maybe, or the other way around. Oh, so I guess that's right. I think they were free. I will put the price up there. So that is them. They're quite cool. I would wear them out. Definitely not. Wear these for like 10 minutes to half an hour, and there's no way I'm gonna have my lights set up for that long. So if you want to see what I thought of these, head to my Instagram. I will post a stupid picture of me like this and just post my thoughts on that. But they actually do feel really soothing, especially seeing as I suffer from hay fever and my eyes are very sore at the moment, so I'm enjoying them right now. This was one of the first things I bought from Wish. I'll attach a picture of this. And then this came quite a while ago. I haven't even put it on or anything yet, so this will be the first time trying it on, so I'll let you know what I think. In the picture it looks really, really cute. When it comes it's a bit sort of like, not sure. I am back and looking as crazy as ever. This is the gym set. I probably wouldn't wear this to the gym. It's a little bit showy for the gym. Now I'll try and show you what it looks like as much as possible now. So this is the top obviously, and here are the leggings. They are really cute and they do look really cute on, but they're a little bit sheer. You probably can't really see on the camera. So this is the legs as much as I can show you on my camera. I will try and get a photo of these like I said about everything else. So they're really pretty and I really like these little cutout bits. They're really cute. But I don't know, they're a bit loud for wearing out, and then they're a little bit sheer for wearing to the gym. So I'm not really sure if they're actually going to be useful for anything. But oh well, they are pretty cute, so maybe for a couple of pictures for Instagram and then I'll get rid of them, I don't know. So that is the end of my Wish haul. I really hope you've enjoyed it. I do actually have one more item that hasn't arrived yet and has just taken forever to arrive, so I will just smack that onto another one of my videos and give you a heads up which one that's going to be on. Also, my face is sliding off. I'll also give you my full rundown of what I thought of these on my Instagram. I'm sorry I can't do it here. I was really planning to go off for a little bit and then come back and do it here, but it is so hot I can't bear to sit here any longer, so I will pop that onto my Instagram. I have a new video coming on next week. I'm thinking about doing a why I quit modelling video. It's going to be a really hard one for me to actually do. I'm going to really struggle to talk about it. There's a lot of sensitive issues that I will be talking about, so I'm hoping to get the confidence to worked up to actually do that next Friday hopefully, and then it'll be up on Sunday I think by the time I've edited, maybe Monday or Tuesday. So keep an eye out for that coming along. If I'm not doing that, I'll definitely be doing something else anyway. If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe. I really appreciate your support. I'm so new. It's really hard to grow a fan base and to get people to see my videos. So the best way for you to help me out with that is to put a like on my video, and YouTube will decide to hopefully show it more. In theory anyway. I know a lot of you come over from my Instagram to watch my videos, and thank you for coming over. Subscribe and support me here too, that would be amazing, thank you. And I look forward to seeing you next week. Goodbye!